Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. This week so far has been a crazy week in the financial markets. We saw Black Monday, a stock market crash, and even a crypto crash as well. And with this, a lot of people have sold their holdings. We have just in, JP Morgan says institutions bought the dip while retail panic sold aggressively. We have retail selling $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, institutions buying $14 billion worth of Bitcoin. So this is a clear sign to buy even more cryptocurrencies as the 1% institutions are buying up the dip. And BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and MicroStrategy have sold zero Bitcoin despite the market crash. So this is a big sign that we are still in a bull market as these massive institutions are still in the market. And with insiders 1% selling zero Bitcoin, this is a clear sign that the market is about to explode. And as Anonymous said, all the way back in 2018, by September of 2024, we should see a $105,000 Bitcoin price. So as of now, I am extremely bullish in the crypto market. And again, this post from 2018 has been very, very accurate. Even back in July 2024, we saw a Bitcoin bottom of 53,500. And guess what it says here? We have Bitcoin in July priced at 53,500. Guys, this is just absolutely insane. Basically a cheat sheet in crypto, and the 1% are telling us that we will see a $100,000 Bitcoin by September, which is why smart money is still in and smart money is selling none of their holdings. So guys, don't be stupid. Don't sell your cryptos. Don't sell your XRP. Now, we also saw an XRP dump. We saw a 528 million outflow from digital asset exchange traded product, the ETPs, resulting to the price of XRP to crash as well. And taking a look at the charts, we have the Bitcoin chart of 2024 and the Bitcoin chart of 2020. We had the Black Swan event happening in 2020, and we also had another mini Black Swan event happening in 2024. And right now, Bitcoin is forming the exact same pattern. So with Bitcoin touching the bottom trend line, is this the bottom for Bitcoin? And will we see the price of Bitcoin going parabolic from here on out? Guys, comparisons look very similar, and the 1% control the entire markets. And this is what they do before exploding the prices of cryptocurrency. We always see a descending channel. So we are expecting a move like this to happen to Bitcoin in the next coming months, with Bitcoin testing the bottom. And so we should see eventually a 170,000 Bitcoin and Bitcoin making a parabolic move like this. And it seems like the Bitcoin macro bottom is in. We have Bitcoin touching again the bottom trend line. Last time we had this back in October, Bitcoin went from around 20,000 all the way up to $70,000. And again, Bitcoin is touching the bottom trend line. So we should see a reversal happening to the Bitcoin price and Bitcoin hitting the 2.618 Fibonacci level, which is around the $130,000 mark. But first, we have to break about the first 21618 level, which is around the $63,000 mark. And even the altcoin season index is forming a bullish pattern. We have the inverse head and shoulders pattern forming for 2 years. And after the pattern is fully formed, we see the assets, the crypto move up. And in this case, we have the altcoin season index moving up. And with that, we will see altcoin season happening. We have to hit the 75 mark to trigger altcoin season, just like what we saw back in 2021 and 2022. We have the greatest Bitcoin chart ever. And based on the chart, we can see that throughout the entire price action history of Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been respecting this upward trend line. So ever since its creation, Bitcoin has been in a uptrend. There we go. We have the trend line, and Bitcoin has continued to respect this trend line. And every time we see Bitcoin retesting the trend line, we see a nice bounce, a reversal, and Bitcoin going parabolic. And right now, this is happening as we speak. And based on the chart, based on the analysis, based on the overall Bitcoin price history, if we do continue to follow this path, then Bitcoin has a trajectory of around $1 million sometime from 2032 to 2036. So guys, a $1 million Bitcoin is definitely possible if Bitcoin gets adopted in the new financial system, and we could see this move coming in for Bitcoin in the next 20 years or so. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is not the one. The 1% have chosen XRP. So it will be XRP going to the $1 million mark sometime in 2030 to 2036. And lastly, we have massive XRP transactions, over 3 billion XRP traded, equivalent to $1.5 billion. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.